Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we got for you complete package, baby, complete package. Actually guys, you know me that I am enemy number one for Sony products, okay? And if you watch my previous videos and if you are one of my subscribers, you know that I never ever buy Sony products. But guys, I was discussing with the big shop here owner and I was talking about Sony and Sony issues as a PlayStation, as TV, as Bravia, as I trying all these products with cameras and everything like this. Sony Vaio, the laptop, all of them have issues. All of them screwed up with me in the first year. So he started challenging me, blah blah blah. In the end, guys, I let him confess that really Sony products sucks. But to be honest with you guys, in the end of conversation, he shot me with one point. He told me that the best camera for streaming and vlogging is the Sony ZV-E10. Be careful, there's ZV-E1 and there's ZV-E10. And then he sent me complete package from his store as for free, just to make a review about and say the truth, okay? He sent me camera, gifts inside, everything. I'm gonna show you from Sony. I said to him, to be honest with you, I will be completely fair with you. I'm gonna try it and test it and everything. Then I'm gonna tell you my true opinion, okay? Let's do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna tell you about the pluses, the minuses. Why is, to be honest with you, I'm against Sony, but as for vlogging and live stream, this Sony ZV-E10 best choice for you. Only this products, guys, only this. Don't run to any other things. Airbots, all this bullshit, no, they are not. But before we go anywhere further, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now. Right now. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay guys, as you see, I get the camera itself. This is cleaning kit. Yeah, cleaning kit for the camera. This is original, by the way, as they said. And he sent me, wow, memory 32 giga, Sony original for 4K recording. This is cute. And this. So let's unbox this bad girl, because it's camera, you know.
A box for the bad girl here. This is the camera. Sure, did not give you this standard. This is should buy it separately. It's important, but too bad that this tripod is not extended, you know. Here they say that ZV-E10, blah blah blah, made in Thailand. Mention this is not China. And we're gonna talk a little bit about the options, you know, as well. This is all catalog, you know, which is, guys, you don't need it. We have here, this is type C to USB. This is the connector. You got this is if you want to charge your camera, you know. I'm gonna show you how. You put this to the electric and then you charge your camera, okay? So this is all for just charging camera. It could be in the live stream or it could be generally, you got me? Okay, this one we don't need it. This is strap for holding. Beautiful, what I'm gonna tell you, it's not bad quality. Oh, this is the battery itself. It's Sony. Okay. Lithium. How much battery? It's, let's try to make focus. There. Okay. What we have here? Oh, this is for the mic. You know, guys, this is important if you want to record outside. This hair, let me do the focus. Yeah, this hair here, when you put it up of the mic, filter the windy, the noisy outside. It's filter a lot of things. You got me? So the video is gonna be clear when you record it, not like in phone, for example. All the noisy background, you hear it. Okay. Let's out the bad boy. Ooh la la. You have, this is cover for a lens. This is the lens that came with. Nice, thanks so much Sony that you give at least lens with the camera, because this lens is changeable, you know. Okay. So you put it like this. Sorry, so see, it's gonna be like this, like a teddy bear, you know. Like this way you will filter a lot from the noise. Okay, as you see guys here, let's get a quick look. Okay. Hey guys, let me give you now quick information about this camera, okay? As a YouTuber, number one, as a vlogger, and later as a cameraman or stuff like that. Number one, the option that you really would like it, if you are a YouTuber or a streamer, you don't care about this option, that you can change this lens. This lens is changeable, which is many cameras like Canon and stuff like that, you cannot change this lens. The second point here, this is important for you if you are a YouTuber or whatever, that is shoot 4K 30 frames per second, FPS, okay? Live stream is available, you can do live stream. Here the screen is, here guys, it's flip out, which is mean you can do it like this way or turn it for you so you can see yourself when you are streaming. You are in the correct position or no. So this is so nice option. This camera guys have option that called background focus, which is mean if you are, for example, shooting video outside and the person is moving like this, it's gonna focus about him and cancel the background. This is nice option. Active stabilization also have, which is this is so good here, which is when you move too fast and like this. For YouTubers, he's not gonna move fast or move a lot, but for shooting outside, you're gonna need it for moving. So this is have active stabilization. Shooting 24 megapixel. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you now so important option. Here you have for USB for Type-C for charging, mini HDMI for connecting for live stream, and here you have jack audio for headset. This is guys so important. And here you have for mic, which is you're not gonna find this option in any other vlogging camera. Maybe Nikon has, but I don't know. But see, you have for mic and for audio. This is important, to be honest with you. Okay, let's turn on this bad girl. Okay, there's something here guys in this camera. It's so important for YouTubers and for guys that you do live stream, the low light sensor, NBSE. Okay, this is the best camera that's gonna record in low light sensor, which is mean, for example, some YouTubers, when they play games or something like this, they turn off lights. Okay, they just keep low lights, so it's gonna focus on their face. With this camera and the live stream, it's gonna show your face as well. In other cameras such as Canon M50 Mark III or any other cameras will never gonna show you like this Sony. And this is the best option that I like on this camera. To be honest with you, what makes this camera special, this option. See guys, and this is I'm not gonna show here as well, only when you do live stream you're gonna understand this point. But listen, I'm gonna tell you something. When you are live stream, you don't need to do this. You don't need memory card because you connect directly to the OBS or stuff like that. Only this bad option that I didn't like on this camera. When you record video, long video, for example, 15 minutes or stuff like that in 4K or full HDMI, the files is gonna be in your computer, separated files down of each other, not one file. And this is so bad option from Sony. For example, the ZV-E10. It's maximum gonna do for you two files, one 11 giga, another one 4 giga. But this one, every 4.9 giga file is gonna separate it down of each other, which is mean when you open in your computer, you're gonna find like 10 files down of each other, 11 files according to the video longness. Okay, this is annoying. You should to see which one is the next. You should know how to collect it. You should. I mean, this is kind of annoying. Why it has to suffer behind files and check which one is the next one, rename them, call them. These options I don't like. But generally guys, this camera is amazing. The menu, see, I want to show you now. See, you can customize everything. Image size, 20 megapixel as you see. Okay, iOS sensor, video, you can shoot in 4K or more or less. S and Q setting, see, we can customize everything. To be honest with you guys, it's really have a lot of have all language. Wi-Fi, you can connect it to the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. If you, I guess you can connect it to your phone as well. Okay, I mean, you're gonna really like this camera, to be honest with you. Now let's see together what Sony give me. I mean the gifts. Okay, here's the memory, 32 giga, can handle 4K. Okay, this is nice. It's Sony original memory. And let's see the cleaning kit. I didn't expect. Oh la la. The tissue for cleaning. This is sure for area to blow the dust. Beautiful. I like this gift. Thanks, really. This is brush. Wow. This is cool from them. There's something else here. Oh yeah, see, this is for maybe cleaning screen as well. Wow, this is super cute. I believe, guys, there's something else. Oh yeah, I told you. Here, another one. Let's clean. Oh, it's cleaning. Damn, this is cute gift, really.
So guys, to be honest with you, so far so good. I'm gonna agree that this is one of the best camera for vlogging. Listen, I'm not saying the best camera that you can in the market for as digital camera or stuff like that. No, as Canon, I put it away. Okay, this Sony and the Nikon. There is Nikon for vlogging. I forget the name, to be honest with you. It's the only camera for vlogging. You know, also her screen is can go up and down. It's more expensive than this by $200 something. Also, it's amazing Nikon, to be honest with you. You're gonna like it so much. It has option better than Sony, and Sony has option is better than this Nikon. To be honest with you guys, I cannot judge about this point until I also try this Nikon, how it looks like, the options, the sensors, light, blah blah blah. But this one, guys, as I telling you, is better than any other camera. You know, guys, if you want to compare, for example, the Sony with the ZV-E10, this one is better than ZV-E10. You know why? In the light sensor, in the dark mode, this one is better. You know, a lot of streamers would like to stream in dark mode. You know, they have light background and he turn off lights, show just how his stream will do. This one is better in low light sensors, in low light mode, you got. But the E1, it's little bit blurry and your face almost not appear, you become looks like Dracula, and you're not gonna love it. So I advise the best cameras for vlogging, live stream and stuff like that, or this ZV-E10 Sony, or the Nikon, I forget her name, I'm sorry. You can go to Nikon, just it's the only camera for vlogging, they don't have another one. Or the Nikon, this one, I don't know what's her name. But as Canon M50 Mark III, it's have also nice points, but it's lost in a lot of points for vlogging. So I will not recommend you Canon, to be honest with you. Okay, so guys, this is all I can collect for you for information, for vlogging, for streaming, blah blah blah, for YouTubers. This one. If you would like my video, don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up or put thumbs down as you wish. And share this video as well for someone who really looking for camera for streaming and he's a YouTuber or stuff like that. I'm gonna see you in another video talking about Objection. I hope peace and love and money for all of you. I know money is the most important one for you. I got you, boys.